Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into the Workflow Secrets properties dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The list close price comparison dashboard is going to give you the power to quickly see how those listings are being affected with days on market for any given sale range, as well as what that listing price is represented in a sliding scale so that you can filter down your inventory and better understand what those listing prices were, as well as what that sale price was, to see how all of those different properties are being affected by their listing to close price and what the difference is represented on the very bottom when you're able to see all of the different addresses in your listing inventory. Now, the last cool piece of this listing close price comparison is on the top right hand side. You have a filter so that you can sort by any given date range to better understand how all of your listing closing price is going to be affected over time. We hope you've enjoyed today's training. If you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to get you squared away. Otherwise, we've got some more trainings coming, so feel free and scroll on down and go ahead and start diving in. We'll see you there.